Hey everyone, it's Mustard. If you were blanked on a test or felt overwhelmed by anxiety, don't worry, I have been there too, and I have found a way to beat it. And I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step plan to take control of your anxiety. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. We are on our way to 100 subscribers, so let's jump right into it. So test anxiety happens because your brain sees the test as a threat, which triggers a stress response. And while this is good for running from a bear, it's not good when you're taking a test. This makes it much harder to recall the information that you studied, and before you know it, you're doubting yourself and you're just going on this big spiral down. But the good news is if you take control of a few things and implement a few tricks, you will get rid of all your test anxiety and you will take every test with confidence. First, starting off, and this one might shock you just a little bit, is to study. No way, look, you gotta study. Look, I understand that you may study a lot and still blank when it comes to test time, but you can't tell me that you have test anxiety and then you just don't study for a test. To overcome test anxiety, you need confidence in your ability, and studying is the foundation to that confidence. Make sure that you are studying far in advance and that you're studying frequently. Next, now this one might be weird because it's kind of opposite of what I said in the first point, but it is to study the night or sometimes even the day before the test. If you were cramming the night before, then I'm sorry to break it to you, but you were not prepared fully for the test. You need to relax the day before, have fun, do something that you enjoy. Personally, I like to hang out with friends or watch TV shows like The Office. If you were up cramming and stressing and thinking all about this one test, then you're always going to feel like you can study just a little bit more. It's like just never enough for me. But guys, I believe that your grade was decided weeks ago by how well you prepare and not by the 3-hour study session that you did right before the test. Okay, be confident. You're going to do fine on this test. Now we come to the night before the test. You need to sleep. Please get your sleep, guys. There's so many studies out there that shows that sleep deprivation really affects your learning and recall when it comes to test time. Look guys, you can't sleep for 5 hours, throw down an energy drink and hit the test, okay? You gotta get your 8 hours of sleep. You're gonna thank yourself and your grade later. Oh, and also make sure to put that phone down, turn the phone off, do not disturb, whatever you gotta do. You need to make sure that you get quality sleep. Now where you're here, this is the dreaded test day. Make sure that you wake up with enough times that you're not rushing. And if you drink coffee, drink coffee. If you like to eat breakfast before a test, eat breakfast. Do what you do on a normal day, because I don't want test day to be this big scary day. Oh, it's a test, I'm gonna fail it and all that. Okay, guys, at the end of the day, a test is just another assignment. A quick tip I have for you guys is to get 15 or 20 flashcards and just go through them for like 5-10 minutes. What you're doing here is you're just kind of getting your brain turning and moving, and it actually doesn't even matter if they're related to your test or not. That's not what the purpose of this is. One of the most crucial things before and during a test is your mentality, okay? You need to go in that classroom and hit that test like you were on top of the world and that you were gonna ace that test. While everybody's sitting there looking at their notes literally 30 seconds before the test hits their table, oh, I'm so scared, oh, I just gotta look at this one last time. You don't need to, because you studied confidently and you studied frequently and you know that you're going to do well on this test. Now, I know this might seem a little bit cocky, but guys, I'm telling you, go into the test with that kind of confidence, because that kind of confidence will carry all throughout the test. If you start the test with no confidence, you will doubt yourself every question. Specifically when taking the test, I have a few tips for you guys. First, I need you to relax. Relax. Take a deep breath. Grab the test, just look through it, skim through it, look at all the stuff, the questions, the essay questions. This is really a time to get your game plan and kind of plan your attack for the test. Secondly, start taking the test. And if you can't answer a question within 10 seconds, skip it, move on, forget about it for right now. Get all the easy questions out of the way so that we can spend the bulk amount of our time on the hard ones. Guys, this is basically a number game. And now thirdly, every 10 or so questions, go through all the answers again. You need to check for any dumb mistakes that you made, because trust me, you're going to make a lot of them, and that is perfectly acceptable. This is just a safeguard that I highly recommend that you try. Next, if you're feeling a little anxious or tired, take a 30-second break, because even a 30-second break can make a huge difference when taking your test. Remember that you prepared for this test and that sometimes your brain just needs a little bit of a relaxed session. Finally, the most important test taking tip that I've learned through all the tests that I've taken is to trust your instinct. Guys, if you're unsure about a question, remember that the odds of you changing the question to a right answer is actually pretty low. Most of the time, your instinct is going to be the correct answer. Remember that your second guess always carries the burden of proof. You got to be 100% sure that your second guess is right to override the first one. I hope that made sense. It made sense in my head. But overall, test taking really comes down to things that you can control. You can't control the test environment. You can't control the questions on the test, but you can control how you prepare, how you sleep, and your mindset. For your next test, follow the step-by-step process, and I promise you will be surprised by how much it helps. That's going to do it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Remember to study hard, study smart, and I'll see you guys next time.